Yo, what's up, guys? Rylex here. Today we got my 2003 Yamaha TTR 125, and today we're gonna be riding around it. First thing we need to do, get some gas. Haven't ran it for about like half a month. I just started it, and then what else do you? We're gonna get some breakfast with this thing, and yeah, start our day. First thing I need to do is pump up the front tire because it's leaking. So after we get my food stuff, or whatever, my gas stuff, we got to refill it on the way back and then go get food and then refill it again. It's kind of just a thing it does. It's leaking only a little bit. I thought about putting some cement glue around here. I don't know. Give me some suggestions, or I can change the inner tube. It's holding a little bit of air at least. The front brakes, they are unattached right now, so I didn't really have much time, but I'll probably put them back on later. The rear brakes do work though, so it's one thing at least. Alright, while that's pumping, we're gonna also try to put this thing around again real quick. That way it doesn't fall off or whatnot. Roll. I'm gonna get another roll real quick. Oh, this thing's coming fast. Yeah, it always likes to leak. I'm gonna get some roll of electric tape. Keep it safe, whatnot. A very long roll. This is the longest roll you can think of. There you go. It's not really longest, but whatever. Sorry guys, it's really cold out here. It's like 20, 30, 40 degrees out here. It's getting cold. It's getting really cold. We're not the. Okay. And yes, I know some people in the comments will be saying, "Oh, put the front brakes on when you're riding it, because what if you get in a crash with it and then you don't hit your rear brake or whatnot?" Well, I'll be careful. And I just told you guys already, like a few minutes ago, that I'm gonna literally re-put this front brake on. So don't hesitate. I could put the front brake on the rear in this video, or do it in the next video. Who knows? All right, this is okay. It's gonna kind of hit the brake line, but it's fine. All right, put a little air in here. Okay, start it. Here we go. All that air in there. Okay. There's no reason to put my light on, but this is just so if, like, no one can't really see me. It's a safety thing, guys. Alright, let's get on the shop. With a unattached front brake. This is gonna be really safe. No, it's not. And yes, I probably have gloves on. I'm not sure what the gloves are these. I found them in storage. I literally don't know whose gloves are these. Don't ask me. See, I told you I'd have rear brakes. Literally. If I didn't, I would have probably been using my feet already. I'm gonna take one more lap around here and then we'll go get some food. Oh, the exhaust burbling, so nice. Alright, let's just do one wheelie, okay? And if you're wondering, yeah, I should point my camera a little bit up, but I can't really. It's kind of hard, but just the best you can see about it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. My fault. Alright, let's try it again. It's just so bad with these big ass gloves. That burble though, really good. I'll tell you what, this thing sounds like a two-step sometimes when I use it. Alright, let's test it off here. The grass is really sliding, so I gotta be careful. I regret saying that too. Woo! Alright! Go. That's the daily practice of dirt bikers. Oh, my fingers are getting really cold. Hold on. Before you keep going, let me warm my fingers up real quick by just taking off my gloves and putting it near the clutch. There you go. Warm up. Warm up. Hey, you know, if your guys' hands are freezing, come over here. Come on your dirt bike and then just do this while it's like really hot. It's like, doesn't matter what side. Well, it matters to this side kind of, but do it on this side and you'll have warm hands in seconds. And I mean warm hands in seconds, guys. Now I feel really comfortable. But yeah, literally warm hand in seconds right there. I'm telling you. Right, front tire getting flat again. Oh yeah, it is a little bit. Not too much to brag about though. Alright, let's go get some food, guys. Front tire pressure. Alright guys, so we got ourselves some hot chocolate with a mix of pumpkin spice and French vanilla. We got some Hello Pandas here. Strawberry, if everyone's wondering. Gummy bears, because I missed the November 13th album. Yeah, hope you guys noticed that. Some ice cream, the Christmas kind. We're about ready to hit the road. Only part is we gotta hold this this hot chocolate, so it's gonna kind of be a task where we gotta hold the coffee or hot chocolate, and yeah. Well, so hopefully it should be easy. If not, I understand. All right, get going. The front's loose too, so we're gonna pump it up when we get back. Oh, this is gonna be a hard task. hopefully we can do it. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna push it so that way it just goes. And the bad part is gonna be that we're gonna have to shift without the clutch. So if any of you guys can comment down below if it's good or not, then please tell me. Let me know. It's gonna feel really rough too. So, do I have a choice? No. Is there a choice? No. Also, if you hear some knocking to the clutch thing, I think it's probably like one of the gears inside the thing. I might have to replace that. I don't know. Give me some time though, and I'll think about it. They're pretty easy to replace, but I just gotta look for the parts. There's not many TTR parts around here no more. If you guys got any websites, let me know too. I'm gonna have to ask all you guys for favors. Okay. We're gonna just park the bike here and then throw the stuff inside, put some air in, and then take it for a few rides. Can't get gas because I spent all my $30 on food. Why? Because I'm hungry. Alright, so we're gonna leave this there. Get this. Later on, I'm gonna ride too. Hey, Mr. Squirrel. I don't know if you guys see that squirrel. We're gonna place it in here. I'm gonna take a few drinks on this and then get back with you guys and stuff. So, alright, we just got done eating. Well, a little bit, but I just heated my gloves so that way they didn't get really that cold. As though they will. So I prefer to do that. Alright, let's go. Looks like got some good air. Well, we got some good air. For the front, of course, but we don't. I heard it leaking like a little bit. It was coming out the, you know where you fill your air at, the tube thing? Yeah, the nozzle is leaking out of the nozzle, so I think we're probably going to put some cement glue around it. Kind of not a good idea, but we can always take it off if we want. Oh, but I just did that clutch thing again like in the last video. Alright, second gear wheelies, here we go. Whoa! Dude, I almost just fell off my bike. Holy shit! I'm sorry, I might have to censor that out, but I almost just fell off my bike. Woo! I was swerving, leaning, everything. No joke. I want to try it in third gear. I know it might not work, but I want to see if we can do it in third gear. This is going to be dangerous, so or it does. Oh shit. Yeah, I guess you can't launch it like that. No, it's not that. There we go. I revved it that low is because that was just for fun, okay? Come on, nerds, don't take me seriously, dude. Oh, but you're gonna ruin your rev limit thing and then blow the piston. Yes, I know. You don't gotta remind me, because I know. How do I know? I don't know. Alright, let's try another wheelie. But on the grass, though. That was not bad. Quite average. I mean, well, kind of was, because, you know, the rev limit and all that. Oh, my front tires definitely ain't flat, though. That's the thing. Alright, let's try again on the street. Doing that up the street. That was a good record right there for me. That was a really good record out there for me. Alright, let's try again. It's kind of hard to look, but I just did it. It was pretty long. Wait, don't put that out of context, guys. Just remember, don't put shit out of context, whatever I say, okay? Please don't, actually. I smell gas. Probably from the carburetor. Oh, well, whatever. Let's try again. I'm waking up the whole neighborhood, bro, doing this. Alright, for now we're going to take a break on this a little bit. Just so I don't really wake up my neighborhood. I don't like running from the cops, guys. I know people like running from the cops, but sometimes I'm different and I don't like running from the cops, so I'm not gonna risk it. Plus, it's like way early in the morning, to the point where probably old people come out and bullshit like that. Parents don't come out at night because they know the H2Rs are out. I'm kidding. They come out anytime, literally, just to annoy you. Alright, my fingers are frozen. I probably have frostbite. I'll drop a part 2 and maybe next month, next week. I don't know. It could be next day, it could be Sunday. Stay tuned, guys. Just stay tuned. And if you lose interest on staying tuned, it's your fault. It means you ain't patient. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up for this video. See you guys later. Peace.